Today on our 2013 Kia Soul, we'll be test fitting the Thule Stacker roof-mounted multi-kayak carrier, part number TH830. We'll begin our test fit by first placing the stacker onto the front load bar. We'll insert the bolts through the top of the top bracket of the stacker. We'll then use the bracket to come underneath the front load bar, inserting the bolts through the holes of the bracket. We'll then use the black wing nuts to tighten it down to secure the stacker to the load bar. Once we have the first stacker all tightened down and secured to the front load bar, we can repeat the same steps for the rear stacker. Once both pieces are secured and tightened down to the load bars, we're ready to load up our kayak. We'll first need to take our Thule straps to thread them through the top of the stacker. We'll do this for both the front and rear piece. We'll then drape them over the driver's side. We'll now set our kayak up on top of our load bars, positioning the kayak even on the load bars so the weight can be evenly distributed to each load bar. Next, we'll drape the straps over the kayak, wrapping them underneath the load bar, inserting the strap through the buckle, and tightening it down. Now when you thread the strap underneath the load bar, you want to make sure that it is on the inside of the feet. This will prevent the strap from slipping off of the load bar. Now before tightening it down all the way, you'll want to make sure that you do the rear strap as well, and then tightening it down firmly. Now with these two straps secured, we're ready to install our bow and stern strap. With our hook, pulley, and rope already assembled according to the included instructions, we'll go up to the strap at the head of the carrier and clip it onto the strap that's connected to the kayak. Next, we'll go underneath the front of the vehicle and find a sturdy spot to hook the second hook. Once we've established this position, we can then gently pull down on the end of the rope to reduce the slack. We'll then move to the rear of the vehicle, where we will again hook the clip around the black strap of the kayak and find a secure position on the underside of the rear of our vehicle. Now this vehicle is equipped with a hitch, which will be a perfect destination for the second hook. We'll then pull down on the rope, reducing the slack. Since the bow of the kayak is secured with the rope, we can then tighten down the stern. We'll then move back up to the front of the vehicle, where we will tighten it snug. Now with our kayak all loaded up and secured, that'll complete today's test fit of the Thule Stacker Rooftop Multi-Kayak Carrier, part number TH830 on our 2013 Kia Soul.